Annyeonghaseyo, baguship pa. I miss using Snapchat, guys. 1 year ko na itong di na-open. So, let's try the different effects. Yung mga bago niyang effects. Ito yung isa sa pinakasikat na effect na nakakalimutan sa Snapchat, guys. Then, ito isa to sa bed ko. This is the new effect ko. Ganda. Purpley, so army. BTS. Ilaw, ay! Tol. Tagay, tol. Pamit. This one is the baby filter. This is so cute, guys. Bago lang din ata ito sa Snapchat. Ayan, saan ka dyan? Aerosol? Glow? Ilaga, rat. A rat is beside me. A rat is beside me. Donut. This is so cute, see, guys. Yung effect na to na filter. Super surgery. My eyes is so very my eye bags. Oh my god. Nasaan bagan? Doon na talok. I have an explanation. Ang cute, guys, ang mga bagong filter effect. Ito matagal na ito. Ito dati yung isa sa lagi kong fina-filter nung nag-duty pa ako. Internship as hospital trainee.